what's up guys? This is Doobie Boy 21 with my little daughter, and guess what time it is? We are gonna go rebuild that RMK 700 at my brother-in-law's house because he has a cool garage and he's got a lot of tools. So let's go do that right now. Guys, so the pistons are in. My brother-in-law is an incredible mechanic, so he put in the pistons for me because I suck really bad at putting in the piston C-clips. So here we go, but there is only one problem. They sent me the wrong cylinder and I cannot put the piston in the cylinder, so I have to call that machine shop in Quebec and we'll get the problem fixed. So we're gonna abort this project. Boom! Yeah, so here we go again, and my sled is fully rebuilt now. I forgot to bring my camera when I got the right cylinder, so shame on me for forgetting my camera, but hey, the sled is fully rebuilt now. So what we're going to be doing is, I haven't taken the compression yet, so how about we go see how much compression is in both cylinders now. Let's go check that out right now, guys. All right. Okay, guys, so we are ready right now. The tie wraps is full throttle for maximum air velocity. As you can see, the tie wraps, never forget to take this off when you're done your test. So let's go on and check out that compression. So right now it is on the mag side. So we're going to do 10 pulls. Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. It will be around 130 psi, and this is on the mag side. So let's go see what's going on the clutch side. Okay, so here we go on the clutch side. 10 pulls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, 130. 130, so 130 on both cylinders, so she is ready to rip. Wiseco Pistons. Yeah, so I guess that I can go for a little ride now, so I'll go test this thing out. All right guys, see you on the sled. Alright guys, what's up? Hope you enjoyed the ride on the RMK. So right now the sled is parked. I think it's over for the season, but we never know. I might take it again for a little boot. But the snow conditions are crappy. It's mostly ice, and I hate riding my sled on ice. That sled is made to go in powder and not ride on ice. So anyways, we'll be concentrating on this RM250 in the next videos, because I'm going to be changing the black plastics. Why? Because for me, an RM is yellow. Suzuki is yellow for me, not black. Even though these little plastics right here are still awesome. The guy that had it before me, he was more of a black plastic guy on his dirt bikes, but not me. I like to get it back to yellow. And I'll be getting a custom made graphic kit on this dirt bike right here. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. So guys, thank you for sticking around, and like I said, I love making videos on YouTube, and I like making them for you guys. Thank you to all my followers. I'm really happy because right now I'm over 400 subs. Yes, and that's making me more than happy because I know you guys are watching, and I know that you guys like what I'm doing. So yeah, thank you very much. So now it's going to be on the RM250, and yeah, it's going to be an awesome project. So, thanks for sticking around. So, see you guys later.